Alright, so welcome to I believe it's our fourth episode for Swift tutorials, and today we're going to be going over arrays. So just go ahead, make a playground. Let's see, let me open debug. Okay, there we go. So first, let's just get rid of the string. We don't need it. Yeah, so right after that, let's make so to declare an array. An array is kind of like it's like it can be a variable. It's basically like a string or an integer. There's another type called an array. So an array basically stores stuff inside of it. Okay, it can either store a bunch of integer values or a ton of string values. So we could do var array is, and then we'll just put the assignment. So we can put the assignment operator, and for an array, we put them in brackets. So now you could just be like value 1, and then you want to separate the values by comma. Okay, and you could do value 2, and then you could just do etc. So that's how you make an array. It's pretty cool. You can also explicitly state that it's an array by going here and just being like var array, and you can just put the colon there, and then you could be array, and inside here you could just say it's a string. Yes, you can do that. Let's see what this is for. Invalid redeclaration. So that just means that we can't declare the same variable again. Just delete that, and it should run just fine. So either you can just state it, like you could just do variable array, and it'll think on its own that this is actually a string array, or we could just explicitly state it up here. It'll be uninitialized, but we can explicitly state to the computer that this is a variable called an array, that is an array that only has string types inside of it. So that works. We can also print out values within the array. So for arrays, they start at 0. So if you wanna, this is like the 0th value of the array, and then the first value of the array, and the second value of the array, because we just do. So we can print it out to console. Just do 0, and we'll see what prints out. Value 1. See, there it goes. That's the first value. Yeah, just make sure that you know that arrays start at 0. Okay. Try not to confuse yourself a bit. There are also some methods we can use to add stuff to an array. So we can do, now method we'll learn later, but for now, just know that it's something we can use. So you do array dot append, and we'll just add another thing here. So we could do value 4, yeah, value 4. Yep, now we just appended, so we just added another value to this array. Now of course it'll be at the very end, so we just do print array at value 4, so that'll be 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's value 4. Very cool. I believe you can also add arrays, so you could do array 2 is equal to, and then it's right here, value 5, value 6, value 7. Alright, so that's our second array. Now we can just add the 2, so I believe you do array plus or equal to array 2, and I'll just wait for that to run. Alright, so yep, so now we got over here, see, value 1, 2, 3, 1, value 1, 2, etc., 4, 5, 6, 7. See, we just added 2 arrays together. That's very cool. Yep, so you can add them. There are also a bunch of other methods you can use, like inserting an array at a specific area, or what else is there? I don't know. Yeah, you can do a lot with arrays. Just the point is, you can store certain. You can just store information inside arrays. That's the important part of this lesson. And yeah.